To changing out the radiators on vehicles. The first time I did this, I was going to discard the old one, and I didn't realize I had to take some parts off the old one in order to be able to install the new one. But this one that I had taken off was on my Ford truck. I went and picked up the new one that I believe it was AutoZone. And I brought it home and disassembled the old one. I was wondering why it wasn't fitting right. It didn't make any sense. So I thought I had the wrong radiator. So I went back to the store, and there was a female behind the desk. And I told her, I believe I have the wrong radiator. And she looked up the parts again and said, no, this is the right radiator. And I think she realized that, did you take off the brackets on the old one? And I thought, I don't understand. And I realized that there are some parts on the old radiator that needs to come off the brackets so it'll fit on your vehicle the way it was supposed to. So diversity to paying attention to detail and making sure you got the right parts and having the right tools. And this one was off of the my Grand Caravan. I exchanged this one. It had a leak. I tried to use stop leak, and the hole was too big. And sometimes stop leak works, sometimes it don't. My niece used it and it worked perfect. No more leaks. And I tried it on my big radiator. This one was pretty big off my van. It did not work. And so I had to disassemble, take the brackets off the old one, put it on the new one, and everything was fine. So paying attention to detail, changing out your radiators, make sure you have your Haynes manual or have someone to explain to you what you need to do to get the old parts off to put on the new one. Sometimes it's required that you do that in order for it to fit like it's supposed to fit. So, adversity 2, changing out your radiator.